So today we'll be cooking this amazing Indian butter chicken with basmati rice. It's creamy, full of flavor and everyone's favorite, right Ryan? We'll taste it together at the end, so let's get started.
Yay!
Chop the chicken, then peel and grate the garlic and ginger. You can use a box grater for this. Then combine the chicken, garlic, ginger, the tablespoons of lemon juice, cumin, coriander, garam masala, turmeric and chili powder in a bowl. Watch out, the chili is spicy. Add the natural yogurt and mix well. Then marinate for at least 15 minutes, preferably for a few hours or overnight in the fridge if you have the time. Add the basmati rice, the measured water and a pinch of salt to a pot with a lid and bring to the boil over high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover and cook for 10 or 12 minutes or until the water is absorbed and the rice is cooked. Remove the pot from the heat and keep covered until serving. Heat a pan over a medium-high heat with the ghee. Once hot, remove the chicken chunks from the marinade, don't shake off the excess, and add them to the pan. Fry the chicken for 3 minutes. The chicken doesn't have to be cooked through at this point. Add the tomato passata, cooking cream and brown sugar. Reduce the heat to low, cover and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add a splash of water if the sauce looks too thick. Season with salt to taste. Serve the butter chicken over the cooked basmati rice, garnish with the fresh coriander leaves, and enjoy. So Ryan, this is for you. So this is how fast and easy this recipe is, and if you like recipes like this and Indian style recipes, you can check out this paneer makhni, which is delicious, equally fast and easy to make. But for now it's my time to try. There wasn't that much left, I have to say. Ryan really enjoyed it. Let me dig in. Just the right amount of spice. I think everybody will like this one.